educational series organized by Physiomax organization. Myself Namita Kaushik, MPT in Neurology. Today my topic of discussion is nervous system and its classification. Nervous system, if I say grossly, is a system which helps us to interact with environment. Interact with environment, if I say, I mean how we react to the stimulus that we get from the environment. To understand that, we may use an example. For example, if someone comes to this room and suddenly asks me to get up from my chair. So, to that same stimulus, my reaction or response can be variable. One, I can listen to that person, think what they are saying and get up from my chair. Another, if the person is unknown to me and it is somewhat threatening to me, I may get scared first. Then I may get up, but first will be my reaction of scare or fear. Third, I may also, if I know that person and I know and I don't want to get up, I may become more relaxed. I may ignore that thing. So, these three reactions to the same stimulus is the result of nervous system function. Now, if I say how these functions are controlled, to understand that we have to learn about the types of or the classification of nervous system. This nervous system anatomically, that is structures which are taking part in this, can be classified into two halves. Structurally, central and peripheral nervous systems are the broad classification. That means the person comes to me and asks me to get up. When I'm listening to that stimulus and I'm processing it, what they have asked me to do and what I have to do, that processing and planning is done by this central nervous system. Then who decides in this central nervous system that what I have to do? My brain and spinal cord. They have the memory of my past experience and then they decide what I am being asked to do and I will do accordingly or not. That decision making and how I have to do is done by the central nervous system. Next is peripheral nervous system. As the name says, periphery. That means they will do the work that is out of the central zone. So, central nervous system has given a decision, this has to be done. So, who will do that? Peripheral nervous system takes the instruction and does accordingly which was asked. So, the ones who are working on periphery are of two types. One is somatic, one is autonomic or automatic. So, when I am asked to get up, my brain has said, yes, you have to get up. So, what will I do? I will contract my muscles, I will get up, I will move, I will use my voluntary muscles. This part is done by the somatic nervous system part of peripheral nervous system. Another portion, that is automatic or autonomic. With every action, I will also have some internal changes in my vitals, right? So, if I am scared that why the person has asked me to get up, what should I do? That stressful reaction is coming from my sympathetic system. Or if I am relaxed, okay, they have asked me to get up, I should get up. Or it's okay, I may not get up, I am relaxed. That external environment is not hampering my internal vital system. That part is managed by parasympathetic system. So, grossly, to any stimulus coming, that stimulus will give me some information. That information is being carried up to my brain and carried back from my brain to the periphery by the peripheral nervous system. The processing, what I have to do with that stimulus, is done by the central nervous system. Again, central nervous system has two parts, brain and spinal cord, who will help me to decide what I have to do, and accordingly the message will be sent via peripheral nervous system to my other body parts, whether I have to fight that situation, flight that situation, or I have to just rest in that situation. or I have to do some actions like get up, move, use my skeletal muscle. Thank you.